Hey guys, what's up? I'm Bianca. Welcome to my channel. I have some fun news. I'm participating in Vlogoween, which much like Vlogmas is every single day in October. I'm gonna be posting a new video, or try to. I'm going to. I'm holding myself accountable to that, and if I don't do it, you have to come back to this video, comment down below, and like yell at me, because oh my god. And it's all gonna be fall related videos or Halloween related videos, costume DIYs, apple picking, making some scary spooky treats, making spooky drinks, all the fun stuff that I love and I adore and I've been obsessed with since I was little, because Halloween is my favorite holiday, go figure. And I don't want to spoil anything else, so I'm gonna leave it at that. But in today's video, I'm going to be shooting my intro to this Vlogoween series. So at the end of this video, I'm gonna preview my actual intro that will be playing every beginning of every video of Vlogoween, so you know it's a Vlogoween video. That was a mouthful. Before we get started, if you're so down to watch this Vlogoween series and get inspired with Halloween looks and fall style and all that fun stuff, then make sure to give this video a like, subscribe down below, and follow me over on Instagram, and let's just get into it. I don't know, I came up with this vision like to mend together the fashion of Halloween and just the vibe in general of Halloween. So I want to make this shirt. On the back of it, I want it to say witchery, which I'm doing right now. Okay, so essentially in my video, I had this big grand idea to, on the back of a shirt or a jacket. Originally, I wanted to do a leather jacket, but I didn't really want to ruin the leather jacket that I have, and I really didn't feel like spending money on something that I was kind of gonna glue stuff on anyway. So we have this. This shirt from Macy's, I got it on clearance, and this for 40 cents from Michael's because, So you know how much iron-on letters are? They're like $13, and girl, we're not doing that today. So I put all the letters, I'm laying them out exactly how I want them on the shirt, and I'm just gonna super glue them on, cause I don't know, it's like cotton and felt, so it's not gonna, I should have used like E6000, like Amber Shoal, but I'm pretty sure this will work perfectly. Okay. So, my main concern right now while trying to film this intro, theme song, Vlogoween, whatever we want to call it, is that there is a tour group going on and they're in the place that I want to film my intro in. So, I knew that was going to happen. It's never going to be easy. It's a Saturday. Like, we need to, you know. So, it's not a big deal. I'm very shameless with filming in front of people. It doesn't really matter to me. But I'm just gonna wait for the tour group, like the walking tour, to go to their next location so I can go and film where I want to film. So we're just here for now and brainstorming and trying to figure it all out. So here we go.
This is Halloween, everybody scream! Please make way for a very special time. Our man Jack is king of the pumpkin patch. Everyone hail to the pumpkin king now. This is Halloween, this is Halloween.
So this was just a very unexpected location that I would have wanted to film at. I didn't even think about it, but my original vision didn't turn out so much as planned because the guy that was inside the house was kind of like not that nice. So I didn't want to overstay my welcome, but this I'm super excited about. I think this might end up being the intro and the actual beginning of Vlogoween. So I'm so excited and I just want to show you around here. So come, look. It's like this old, I mean, it's super rotted and old and it kind of smells really, really bad, but it's okay because it's so pretty, and if somebody were to ever restore this, it would be perfect. So come. Like so beautiful. So I'm just happy that we landed in this location because nobody's over here. I don't think anyone's allowed to be over here, to be honest. It's pretty abandoned, but I won't tell if you don't, so. I hope you guys are kind of getting the vibe or the gist of what I'm going for this Vlogoween intro. Obviously it has to do with witches and old-timery and stuff. I don't know if I should just roll the intro right here. Okay, let's roll the intro. I hope you enjoyed this video and the intro that'll play in the beginning of each Vlogoween video. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss all 31 days of October. See ya, witches.